This is automatic insulating glass Argon gas filling machine. Stainless steel washing and drying section. Double conveyor for high-speed production in each section. Automatic thickness, measure data to auto-sealing robot. Double, triple, quadruple, shaped, stepped insulating glass production available. Ultra small and jumbo size insulating glass production capacity. European gas filling standard pressing. Special design for general container to save sea freight. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Integrity is our business principle. Welcome your consultation.